Hey friends, and welcome back to a new video. Today is Friday, July 8th, and today kicks off the last weekend I have at home before I head on to my next cruise contract. I'm super excited. I don't leave until Thursday, so it's like a midweek travel day, but I thought it'd be fun to just kind of share my last weekend at home. It should be a really fun weekend, and I can't wait to share it with you. I also have been organizing all of my packing. I will be sharing a packing video, so I'll either have posted that before this or after, so be sure to check that out if you're curious as to what I'm packing for my cruise contract. But I'll give you a little sneak peek as to how I have everything set up today. All right, so I've laid out everything from pajamas to rehearsal attire. There's a holiday shirt, some shoes, and I have all my actual clothes hanging here. So I still need to go through all of those and decide what I'm actually going to bring. Here's where I've laid out a bunch of my like toiletries and kind of essentials that I already have. I will share more of all of this stuff in my packing video. So yes, it's been a busy and productive morning, but I think I'm gonna go grab a few more of like the holiday stuff. I keep that in storage, so I'm gonna grab like my Christmas sweaters. That way I have them up here and I can decide what to bring. And I'm also gonna go grab my Halloween costume. I'm reusing one that I wore a few years ago. I'll insert a picture here. I think it's pretty cute and Disney themed, and drop it down in the comments if you know who I'm dressing as. But I'm gonna go find that costume. It's somewhere in my costume box. That way I don't have to worry about picking out a new costume, and I have that ready to go. And we're back. So here is all the Christmas stuff, and then over here is Halloween. So as for like day-to-day, Christmas has like a lot more of what I would wear around the ship when I'm not working. But as for Halloween, I'm just gonna bring some jewelry and a pair of mini ears, and then this is my costume and all of its accessories. Alright, so some time has passed. I'm actually heading out to meet my cousin at her barn to go meet her new horses, which will be super fun. And then I need to run to the grocery store because I'm cooking my family dinner tomorrow, so I gotta go get all the goods. So let's get on the road. It's storming now. I managed to get to the grocery store. I'm gonna try and make it home before the storm gets worse. But it's been a really good day. I will check in one more time once I'm back home safely. Hello, I'm home, I'm back, I'm showered, I am ready for bed, but I just wanted to kind of finish out this Friday section of the vlog. It was such a nice day. It was beautiful weather up until this storm just came in, and then it was just a thunderstorm out of nowhere. I think it's probably heat related and all the humidity that was in the air, but overall today was so nice. It was so good to spend it with my cousins. We went out to eat after spending the time at the barn, and it was just a really good day. So I think I'm gonna go and call it a night. I will see you guys for tomorrow. Good morning, happy Saturday. It is still a bit gloomy outside, like it looks like it's about to rain. I can't tell what the weather is planning on doing today, but since I thought that it was kind of not nice weather, I would do some inside activities, and I'm gonna go through my hard drive and pick out some pictures that I want to print for my cabin on the ship, and that way I can send them off to Walgreens, pick them up tomorrow, and I can have them before heading to rehearsals. I definitely want to get that done today. Fingers crossed that the sun will come out for a little bit, because I really want to get outside today. We'll see. And then other than that, I think later on I'm going to be cooking my family dinner. I got all the ingredients last night, and I'm going to make a curry. So that's my agenda for today, and I can't wait to take you along with me. Alright, I think I have all the pictures put into the folder that I want to get printed, so I need to send those off. But good news, the sun has just come out, so I'm gonna go step outside. I'm gonna grab a little popsicle and just enjoy these like 5 seconds of sunshine before whatever storm rolls in. So let's head outside. Want a popsicle? Welcome to the kitchen with Jess. It's dinner time and I'm gonna make a vegetable curry. I have a bunch of different veggies here, so I need to just wash them and get them ready to cook. And I have a nice glass of wine, because nothing says last weekend home like a nice home-cooked meal, a delicious glass of bread, and some family time. So let's get cooking. Good morning and happy Sunday. I am just heading out the door now to go pick up the pictures I sent to be printed at Walgreens. So I'm gonna get those and I can't wait to see how they turned out. Also this morning I did my workout. The gist of it is I just do like a 30-minute incline walk, then I do a 10-minute jog on a lower incline, and then I've been really into like doing different workout videos or just kind of some strength training on like my yoga mat. That's what I've been enjoying lately. So yeah, it's actually another super rainy day, which I'm hoping will turn out to be a good thing because it should keep me indoors and on task to get my packing done, and that needs to happen today for sure. So let's go get those pictures. When we get back, I need to make some coffee. I still haven't had any coffee yet, which is crazy. So we'll have that and we'll get to packing today. So let's hit the road. Photos acquired, let's check them out. Oh, I ordered the True, what is it, like the True Digital 4x5.3 or whatever it is. But like some of them, they all have this little white strip at the bottom. So I'm gonna have to trim that off, but that's okay. Here are all the photos, and of course we have handsome Murphy. Good morning. Are you still sleepy? I've trimmed down all of my pictures. I have this little like paper cutter thing, so I was able to do that easily. And my Amazon package is here. I needed to get a few things for rehearsals and the ship, so I just went ahead and ordered them. Here are some pink knee pads. I'll need those for some of the rehearsals. I got some nice socks for my greeter whites on the ship. These little flats for my evening greeters, and then these cute little shoes for my white greeters. So these are cute. They were in the kids size and they are super light. And there's my little Amazon haul. All right, so the next thing on tonight's agenda is I need to dye my hair. Now, I know this is bad, I'm box dyeing it, but listen, I don't have the funds to go to the salon. So I like this Garnier Nutrice. I feel like it's pretty good. So let's go take care of these roots and these grays and have a little salon day at home. Let's go. We are ready. I am going with the Garnier number 40 dark chocolate. Seems like a nice dark brown. And let's get all set up. Okay, so here's a quick before. Kind of see that it's kind of gone a little bit coppery. Here we go, starting where we need it the most. would be the roots. Oh yeah. So I need to apply this to all of my roots, and that might take a minute. So I will show you once I have all of the dye on my head. The roots are done, and on the instructions it says, pro tip, work in sections. I'm trying to do that. Yeah, I hope I don't miss a spot. Ooh. We are looking pretty good. I think I got full coverage, hopefully. All right, I'm going to set the timer and I'll show you the finished product. There we go. Loving it. Fresh for the contract. Alrighty, I am going to wrap up this video here. It was such a wonderful weekend, very productive and relaxing all at the same time. Lots of quality time with my family, really good food, and I'm so glad I could share it with you. I do have a few more days before I'm heading to Toronto, so I'm planning to just relax, continue to stretch, finish all my packing, that's an essential one, and just soak up this calm before all the intense rehearsal processes start. But I'm super excited and I can't wait to share the next leg of the journey with you super soon. So stay tuned for all those videos coming up, and in the meantime, I hope you have a really great week ahead. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!